How to erase personalized touch recognition data on Samsung keyboard for the Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down. Now at the bottom, tap on General Management. Then tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Next, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Reset to Default Settings. In here, tap on Erase Personalized Touch Recognition Data. And then tap on Erase. And that's it. It is now erased. Tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.